Hello, we are going over adding users to your account. So let's go up to the gear icon here and over to manage users. And there are basically two types of users you might want to add to your software. Just, someone that's going to be helping you with your books, that you want to have access to the books, or an accountant or tax preparer or someone like that. You can add them as an accounting firm. So let's go over users first. You're just going to click on the Add User button, and you have a few options here. So there's a standard user, and that's where you can give them full or limited access. There's also Company Admin, which is going to have access to pretty much everything. So you may not want everybody to be a Company Admin. You also have a Reports Only option, which will give someone access to all reports except for payroll and reports that show contact info. And then you have a time tracking option. So if you have, people that you want to be tracking time in QuickBooks, and that's the only thing you want them doing in QuickBooks, then you want to choose the time tracking only. So let's go over the standard user because we have some options for customization there. We'll click standard user, and here you can give them access to everything. So they'd have customer and sales access and vendors and purchases access. Or you can restrict it. So you might say have someone that is helping with invoicing and they just need the customer's access. And when you click on these checkboxes here, it'll tell you all the things that they have access to. So you can, of course, customize this for your business and what you want this person to have access to. But let's say we're giving them customer access. Then we go to the next screen. We have just a couple more options for customization. So you can go through these questions, like, for example, do you want this user to add, edit, or remove users? Yes or no. So again, fill this out to your how you want to customize their access. And then you would go to next, enter their information and email, and it will send them an email and they'll be able to log in and get access. So let's go out of this and briefly go over accounting firms. So again, this is a nice feature if, say, you want to give your tax preparer access to your books. That way you don't have to send them reports. They can just get what they need out of the books. Very simple. You'll just put in their email and hit invite, and then it will add your account to their dashboard. So very easy for them to access your data. So the manage users is a nice way to get support with your books. And you have a lot of options for customization.